Hello guys, welcome to my channel Medicinal Pharma Education. I hope you are doing well and studying for your exams. And in today's class, we will complete the paper chromatography. In the previous class, we were left with the uh, drawing of chromatography and detection, okay, and RF value. In today's class, it will be like short one, but it is very important, okay. Drawing of chromatogram. After the solvent has moved in a certain distance for a certain time, the chromatogram is taken out from the tank and position of the solvent front and marked with the pencil. See, we will it will be having like certain shapes, so that we will just mark it with the pencil, okay. They are dried by hot or cold air, depending upon the volatility of the compounds, okay. Next, detection and visualization. This is the major step, okay. Many of them freak out in this step, okay. If the substance are colored, they are visually detected easily. For colorless substance, physical and chemical method are used. If they are like color compounds, like directly the color is observed. If they are colorless, we will generate the color, okay, by using physical methods and chemical method. Physical, what are the methods? Iodine chamber and UV chamber, okay. By using these two instruments, we will detect the color. Next, chemical methods. uh, Ferric chloride for phenolic groups and anhydrine in acetonic for amino acids. You have majorly like used anhydrine, okay, in your like chemical method. Next, how will you calculate what's the what is my compound, okay. How will you identify? Based upon the RF value. RF value means retardation factor. In paper chromatography, the result is represented by RF value, which represents the movement of solute related to the solvent, okay. By this, we will come to know which of the like sample has moved farther, which has the sample has moved less, okay. Distance traveled by the compound divided by distance traveled by the solvent. See here, this is the distance traveled by the solvent, and this is the distance traveled by the solute. Means this minus this gives the RF value. RF value equals to, this is the A and this by A divided by B gives the RF value. It can never, it will be in 0 to 1. It can't be more than 1 because B is fixed, okay, and A is every time smaller than the B, so it is like comes under 0 to 1, okay. It can be 1, but uh, it is rare, because when the solvent travels here, will stop the phase, and like little bit also they will attract with the stationary phase, and so it is 0 to 0 point, I mean 0 to 1. This is the RF value. And what are the applications of paper chromatography? Everyone know this is the very easiest part. Separation of the mixtures of the drug, separation of carbohydrates, vitamins and proteins, identification of the drug, identification of impurities, analysis of metabolites of drug and drug in blood and urine. This is like basic paper chromatography discussion. In the next video, what we are going to start? TLC, thin layer chromatography. Guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe and please comment. It will really motivate me. And thank you guys for watching. See you in my next class. Take care. Bye.